Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Google support application in your Huawei mobile phone. First, I will download the application using Huawei App Gallery. Click on Huawei App Gallery. Then type any application. I am looking for Wikipedia. Now click on download. Now you can see it's downloading. Now click open. Now you can see it's worked perfectly. Now I'm searching another application on Huawei App Gallery. I'm looking for Blink application. Now you can see there is get button. It means the Blink application not in the app gallery. We have to download Blink application using paddle search. Now you can see it's download to the paddle search. Click on continue. Now you can see it's directly going to a APK website. Now scroll down, find the latest version of Blink application. Then click on download. Now you can see Blink application is downloading. Now you can see lot of applications and games in this site. Download completed. Then go to files on your mobile phone. Then find the Blink setup and install. Now you can see Blink application work perfectly, no any errors or apps crashing. Now let's see how to download APK App Store for your Huawei mobile phone. Go to browser and search apkpure.com. The link I will put on the description. Now scroll down and searching for latest version of APK Pure. Then click on download. Now you can see it's downloading. It takes few minutes to download. After download APK Pure application, then install it. Then go to files on your mobile again. Then click on APK Pure and install the application. Install completed. Now let's open the application. Now you can see APK App Store correctly installed to your mobile phone. No any error or apps crashing. I hope this video is very useful to you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.